Students, today we are going to learn how to convert a non-deterministic finite automata to a deterministic finite automata. Now for this purpose we are taking as example this NFA, where we have three states Q0, Q1 and Q2, where Q0 is the initial state and Q2 is our final state. Now as this is a NFA, clear from the transition table we can see that if we apply A over Q0, then it is going to Q0 as well as on Q1, and if we are applying B as input over Q0, it is coming to Q2. Also for Q2, if we apply B, then it is coming to Q0 as well as on Q1. So we are going to make this NFA to DFA, where for every input over a state will give us a unique state. Now here we can see that if we apply A over Q0, then we are getting Q0 and Q1 state, and if we apply B over Q0, then we are getting Q2. So we write it down Q0, and we made another new state called Q0, Q1 and Q2. So now we have three states here. One is Q0, another one is Q0, Q1, our newly made state, and Q2. So we just write it down Q2 and Q0, Q1 here. Now from the table we see that if we apply A over Q2, then we are getting nothing, so it is null. And if we apply B over Q2, then we are getting Q0, Q1, so we write it down. Now Q0, Q1 is not a new state because we have already introduced this state in our previous transition. So now we are making the rule for Q0 and Q1. If we apply 0 over Q0, then we are getting Q0, Q1, so we wrote Q0, Q1. And if we apply A over Q1, then we are having Q0. So no new state appeared here, only Q0 and Q1. Now if we apply B over Q0, then we are getting Q1. If we apply B over Q0, then we are getting if we apply B over Q0, then we are getting Q2. And if we apply B over Q1, then we are getting Q1. So we write it down Q1, Q2. So this is a new state for us. Now we have to make the rule for it. So we write it down Q1, Q2. Now if we apply A over Q1, if we apply A over Q1, then we are getting Q0. Okay, and if we apply A over Q2, there is nothing, so only Q0 will be there. Now this is not a new state. And if we apply B over Q1, then we are getting Q1, write it down. And if we apply B over Q2, then we are getting Q0, Q1. So no need to require to write Q1 and Q1 two times, so we just write it down Q0, Q1. Now there is no new states appeared here, so this is our final table. Now from this table we made our DFA, where Q0 will be our initial state because it was initial state in our original NFA, and as Q2 was our final state, so in this diagram also Q2 will become final state, and the new state, that is Q1 and Q2, will also become our final state. Now from this transition table we can easily apply the rules over this DFA. Thank you.